Hey everyone, nice to see you again. I am Arvind and today we are going to look at something that you hear all the time in daily English, even if you do not notice it yet. We are talking about yes-no questions that use the verb be. These questions are everywhere in real conversations. When someone says are you ready or is he coming or are they here, that is exactly what this lesson is about. By the end of this session, you will be able to ask and answer these questions smoothly and naturally, just like how native speakers do. So let us get started. Before we go into the pattern, let us understand what a yes-no question actually is. It is very simple. If someone can reply with yes or no, then the question is a yes-no question. If I say are you hungry and you can say yes or no, that is it. If I say is he at home or am I early, both of those also allow a simple yes or no. That is the whole idea. Nothing complicated here. Now let us look at how to form these questions. There is one main rule and once you learn it, everything becomes easy. To make a yes-no question with the verb be, you just move the verb to the front. That is the whole trick. You take the normal sentence and you switch the position. So a sentence like you are ready becomes are you ready. He is your brother becomes is he your brother. She is okay becomes is she okay. You are free becomes are you free. They are ready becomes are they ready. Think of it like the verb stepping forward and taking charge. It becomes the leader of the sentence. Once you make that small switch, the question is complete. Now let us talk about the answers, because people will reply with either short answers or long answers. For quick conversations, short answers are very common. For example, yes, I am or no, I am not. Or yes, he is or no, he is not. Or yes, they are or no, they are not. These are short and simple. In more polite or clear situations, you use long answers. For example, yes, I am ready. Or no, she is not at home. Or yes, they are coming. It really depends on the situation and how much information you want to give. To make this more natural, let us listen to a short conversation. Arvind says, Ramesh, are you done with your work? Ramesh says, yes, I am. Finally, Arvind says, good. Is your laptop charged? Ramesh says, no, it is not. I forgot to plug it in. Arvind says, oh no. Are you serious? Ramesh laughs and says, yes, I am. It is always the same story. Arvind says, and are you coming to the gym tonight? Ramesh says, no, I am not. I am too tired today. Arvind says, all right, no problem. Tomorrow maybe. You can hear how natural that sounds. Nothing complicated. Just moving the verb to the front creates a clean, clear question. This is how real English sounds in everyday situations. So that brings us to the end of this lesson. Yes-no questions with the verb be are very easy once you know the pattern. Be, then the subject, then the rest of the sentence. You can answer with short replies or longer ones, depending on what you want to say. And the best part is that you use these questions all day. Ask yourself a few simple ones to practice. Like am I hungry or is it hot outside or are we on time? The more you speak them out loud, the more natural they become. Great job today. Let us keep moving forward.